Well, this is bad. Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of Make a Video Plus. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about natural disasters, because that's what, well, it wasn't so much a disaster, but that's what just hit my house. So if I turn it around here, you can see that we have now a waterfront property, but that's the thing. My property isn't actually supposed to touch the water. It is not supposed to be a part of that river over there. But it is now. And as you can see, it's draining slowly, but I still don't like water invading my home. Like, it's cool for the first few minutes of looking at it, but then it just gets annoying. I was actually working on a few YouTube videos when the storms decided to hit and postponed everything. So now you guys are just gonna get me ranting about how a tropical storm hit my house. But this is just the lake. As you can see over here, there are just huge branches that fell off. Wait, let me get closer. Okay, so this is where the destruction starts. As you see over here, we have some fallen branches. These ones we actually cut off a few days ago. That's why that one's dead. It still died pretty fast. It was weird. But here, over here, we have the garden. As you can see, branches fell off over here. A bunch of clay and stuff just decided to get on the garden. The middle terraces are non-existent. The plants are doing kind of okay, but I hope the water doesn't kill them. But then we have our chickens over here, a recent development actually. They're doing pretty okay. A little scared though. And then you can hear the generator playing up front. But then we have all these branches up here, and then we have that. Now luckily it didn't fall on either of our trampolines, but this is a big boy. And this did not look like it should fall off, but it did. As you can see, it fell off right here and just narrowly missed that trampoline. The destruction is extensive, at least on the wildlife. And then we got this rotted out mess over here. Who knows how long bugs were gnawing at this. And then our front porch is pretty okay. That's a good thing. Actually, as you can see, the ballista is still okay, so that's great. And then we walk up here, well, run at a brisk pace actually. As you can see, there's a new channel here. This actually is where our plumbing was done, so it's a little lower than everything else. But then we got a bunch of leaves, few branches, and then we got another big one over here. Sorry for the shaking video. But we got chairs that fell over. That, for some reason, fell over upright. Don't know how that happened. But we got a bunch of trees, that branches, that fell over here. And these are big enough to be trees in their own right. Like, look at this. It did not look like this was rotted out. This was supposed to be a sturdy branch, but I guess it was a little bit too stiff. And then there's my kitty investigating the damage. Hey Liberty, you think you're camouflaged? She's so cute. Okay, there's my little kitty. And while we're watching the kitty, I'm gonna talk about what we can expect in the future. So I was working on a few videos when this storm decided to hit, and then they've all been postponed, but the next video should still be out within the week. But like, I hope you guys don't get too impatient, because usually I post a video every 2 weeks, and I guess this counts, but I don't think it will be too good. Anyway, once we get all this stuff figured out, we'll I'll be back on making more videos for you guys, and hopefully animations as well. I've been having a little bit of an art block in making this one persona for myself. But anyway, I hope you have a great day, and anyone in the affected area, I hope you're doing okay as well. And Kitty, say goodbye.